Hi everyone, I'm going to invite you to see 13350 Packard Drive in Woodbridge, Virginia. I think you're going to love this fully renovated single family home. Let's head inside.
On the main level, we have an open floor plan, high ceiling concept featuring a completely remodeled kitchen, an all-new bedroom expansion, and LVT flooring throughout. Going up the stairs, we have a large sitting room on the top level with LED recessed lights, 3 massive bedrooms, and 2 fully renovated bathrooms. This house provides a high level of comfort and tons of space for your family, both inside and out.
I hope you enjoyed this tour. To get more information about this property, please visit our website, kiarealestate.com. Until next time.